Welcome back. In this video, you will learn a simple formula to write the right prompt for Zoho automation using vibe coding. You only need to answer 5 simple questions. First question: when does it happen? For example, when a new lead is created. Second question: where does it happen? For example, in Zoho CRM Leads module. Third question: what should Zoho do? For example, send a welcome email. Fourth question: is there any condition? For example, only if the lead source is website. If there is no condition, say, for all records. Fifth question: what result do you expect? For example, customer receives a welcome message. Now let's convert this into a perfect prompt. You say to AI, I am a beginner in Zoho CRM and Deluge. When a new lead is created in the Leads module, I want Zoho to send a welcome email to the lead. This should apply to all leads. Please explain everything in simple English, give step-by-step instructions, write the Deluge code, and tell me how to add it in Zoho CRM. This is a perfect vibe coding prompt. Now, one important tip. After AI gives the code, ask one more question. Say, please check this Deluge code for errors, make it safe for beginners, and explain what each line does. This helps you learn while building. To close, remember this. If you can say, when this happens, I want Zoho to do this. You can automate Zoho using vibe coding. No coding knowledge needed, just clear business thinking. Have an idea or vision in mind? Share it with us, and we'll help turn it into a clear workflow with actionable next steps. DM us or comment below to get started. We will provide this in 1 hour.